Hey there, parents! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the hottest tips and tricks for mastering the art of parenting. In today's episode, we're diving into the wild world of toddler tantrums and revealing 5 magic tricks that will turn you into a tantrum-taming pro. So, let's get started. Trick number 1, the distraction spell. When your toddler starts to throw a tantrum, distract them with something unexpected and engaging. Whip out a toy, sing a silly song, or tell a funny joke. The element of surprise can work wonders in diverting their attention and diffusing the tantrum in no time. Trick number 2, the empathy potion. Toddlers often have difficulty expressing their emotions, leading to meltdowns. Show empathy by getting down to their eye level, using a soothing tone, and acknowledging their feelings. Repeat phrases like, "I understand you're frustrated," or "It's okay to be upset." This simple act of empathy can magically calm their stormy emotions. Trick number 3, the power of choices. Toddlers love to assert their independence, so why not use it to your advantage? Offer them choices within reasonable limits. For example, ask if they want to wear the red or blue shirt, or if they prefer apples or bananas for a snack. This empowers them and gives them a sense of control, often diffusing potential tantrums. Trick number 4, the breathe in breathe out charm. Deep breathing isn't just for adults. Teach your toddler the magic of taking deep breaths during tantrum episodes. Demonstrate inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Encourage them to mimic your actions. This breathing technique helps calm their little bodies and brings them back to a state of balance. Trick number 5, the Redirection Enchantment. Redirecting your toddler's attention can work wonders when tantrums arise. Quickly shift their focus to something positive or intriguing. It could be a favorite toy, a captivating book, or an exciting activity. The art of redirection magically steers their energy away from the tantrum and towards something more positive and engaging. And there you have it, 5 magic tricks to handle toddler tantrums like a pro. Remember, parenting can sometimes feel like a battle of wills, but with these tricks up your sleeve you'll be equipped to handle any tantrum that comes your way. Thank you for joining us today on Parenting Pro Tips. If you found these tricks helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. And remember, you've got this. Until next time, keep slaying those tantrums and enjoy the magic of parenting.